Okay, there again. It's a 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. I'm going to replace all the motor mounts. This one is the old one, that's the new one, and these will go on here. It's gonna be like this. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna go on this in first, and it will be like this. So you have to remove a bunch of bolts, including this one that was on like this. You just take it off, and then you have the middle mount. It's 55 Torx. You just have to remove that one. And what we want to do is we want to replace this. That's the middle mount. That will go in here, but from the inside. So what you have to do is make sure you remove the wheel, the lower engine mount with its bolts. You're gonna have to check up the engine, and then from the top you're gonna have to remove this, which will be set in down here. So you have to remove that, and that's the old mount that will go in like this. That's the top mount. Now to remove the middle engine mount, which you can see down there, that round piece, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass. You're gonna have to remove the cover for the timing belt, and also remove this big piece of metal which goes right on there. To remove that middle mount, you're gonna have to use a pry bar to pry the engine to its side, maybe only like maybe half an inch or maybe an inch, so that way you can pull out that middle engine mount. And once I got the new parts in, I'll keep you updated and I'll let you know what's going on.